again and welcome to our balcony makeover. So, what we are going to do is that we are going to decorate this whole balcony for the summer. So, we decided that we are going to use all these old wood pieces and stuff here and recycle these. This will be our sofa. So what I'm going to do next is that I will paint these two palettes. This back thing I will paint with dark brown wood varnish. I tried to make this look medieval fantasy style, and I will put some window tape on this glass, and I will paint all these frames with black paint. And I also have all kind of things like this. I have bought these in the thrift store. I will do this like plant holder which goes on the roof, and we will see how that plan goes. And we also have one wood chair, so it would be painted also. And there is also old TV from 50s or 60s or 70s. I don't know, but it's old, and we are going to recycle it and make cat bed out of it. Then we will decorate this place. Day 2, and all of these palettes are painted with black. The next step is that I will paint this old television and this thing which goes to the back side of our palette sofa. I will paint like this wooden color. Come, Joel. So, as you can see, there is one window frame which I have painted with black paint, and I will do same 2 windows over here with that dark brown wood paint. This is now almost ready, and look how fantastic it is. Meanwhile, Joel will sand this chair and give it to me so I can paint this also. So let's begin! It's day 3, and all of this stuff is dry now. Next, I can decorate this place. First thing what I'm going to do is that I will hang curtains to that wall and front of these windows. Then I will put carpet on the floor. Let's see what I have in my mind. So I will put some window tape on these windows. And then I will hang these to the roof. I also have to do this plant holder. I have 6 plant pots and I will glue them on this holder. That's the plan. Yeah, let's start. I will put on the roof some hooks so I can hang the curtain. So I will get the curtain. Joel helped me with these hooks. Yes. This looks already a little more home and handsome man with blue woolen socks. Pretty clever, isn't it? And now the windows. It's day 4 and here is finally decoration day! My favorite, yeah! And yeah, so today we just start to decorate this place. So this do-it-yourself tiny wasp home will scare the wasps away, so they don't make a new one here. There is few in this balcony. What do you think about these wasp homes? Pikku. I also made this giant pillow. I don't have very good sewing skills, but look at this. This is kind of a success, I think. And now we have to try this on. It's perfect. What do you think? It's perfect! Little gnome and little snail. Möhö, this place is for Gnome, the snail rider. We have to put these windows to the roof. I put these little hooks to every corner of this window so they will not fall, because I'm a little bit too short. I will need my man's help because men are important too. So now this balcony is ready, and I can't wait to show you this masterpiece. It's time to magic! Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.